Okay, so major breakthrough moment, everybody. Elmo's mum said that he probably wouldn't go anywhere near me because he hates guys. Look at him. Look at him being cute over there. Hey, Elmo. Hi. Yeah, we'll take it really slow, buddy. Yeah, you coming on? Okay. I'm in heaven. Dude, you alright? Oh, and a kiss. Dude, guys, look how cute he is. He's about half the size of the lovebirds. And he's nowhere near as noisy either. Oh my gosh. You're the perfect little dude. Double chin angle. Hello? Oh, mate. This is amazing. You've made my week, Elmo. You've absolutely made my week. Thank you so much for coming out to say hi. Was it because I gave you some millet? Yeah? You liked that, didn't you? Oh, you smell like sprouted seeds.